everybody. I'm here with another review. I saw this amazing video by this young lady on YouTube where she turned some $2 hair into something that looked like Brazilian wavy. So I thought I'd give it a shot. And so this is me actually doing the hair, and this is it. So let me tell you a little bit about it. This is actually braiding hair. It's cute, jumbo braid, and it's actually for braiding, and it's very long, as you can see. Here's the back. And basically the video shows her going through a whole process, and then the hair looking bouncy and beautiful, and she did a really great job on it. And I watched the video probably for about 6-7 times, and I wrote down all the process. It was very entailed, and so this is the results of it. And I have to say, it's okay. It's not exactly as gorgeous as hers. She's an expert and I'm not, but it's okay. But I don't know how long I'll keep it. But let me tell you about it. So this is the hair, and it's actually not $2 in Southern California. The bag is around $7-8. And I purchased 3 bags. You can buy it on Amazon or at your local beauty supply, and it's about $8 a bag, but you only need 2 bags. And so what you do is you add it as a crochet braid. You can see that's what I've done. This is actually crochet braid. I use some invisible braids at the top. And I've actually cut the hair. The hair was actually about 5 inches longer than this, and I've cut it. So you can kind of see. It's okay. But it was so much work. So let me tell you the process. I first had to braid my hair up, and then I used a weaving cap on the top of my hair because I have thinning hair, and so I thought I would use that in order to attach the hair and have less stress on my own hair. And so that's what I did. And it takes a long time to attach really long hair, and I mean, this hair was past my waist, so it took forever, and hair's everywhere, as you know. So once I attached it to my hair, then what I did is I cut it the length, and I cut it a little bit on the sides, and then I braided it up all the way down, about 6 or 7 braids, and that took over an hour because the hair was so long. And so after you do that, then you have to dip it in hot water, which I did, and then you dry it out. And then you add mousse and leave-in conditioner on the braids, and then you let it dry overnight. And then after that, you unbraid it in the morning, and this is what you have. So it's not my favorite hairstyle. It's okay, but it's definitely not something I'm going to keep. I really like the way it turned out at the top of my head, though. I think I did a pretty good job there, and I think it looks very natural. But other than that, I'm not feeling this hairstyle, so I'm going to get rid of it probably before Christmas. And this whole process took about 5 hours, so it was pretty involved. But you know that's the cost of doing your own hair. So you save a lot of money doing your own hair. So let me know what you think in the comments. This is only a couple of days old, and it already kind of doesn't look that great, huh? And I don't want to keep adding, leave-in conditioner every day. But you do have to braid it up at night and wear a cap, or a silk cap to keep it looking fresh. But I'm going to get rid of it soon after all of that work. But let me know what you think, and let me know if you're going to try it. And I'm going to leave the link to the other video in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Take care.